kind of replay the whole thing. Kimberly's attacking Ashley as the house flies like a swarm out of religion, and she's like a nasty snatcho. Ashley won't have anything to do with her. And she knows better than Ashley and Slipknot through skin cancer at Kimberly. And apparently Kimberly's family like slutted Ashley's life in the future, like, so they think they know and they're gonna pick and decide who Ashley fucks. What? I don't get a choice who I fuck? I have a whole group! The fuck are you doing, Kimberly? Do you wanna go to jail? What boy did you kill, Kimberly? What boy? I'm a boy! Holy shit. That was that creature knife club. Yeah, you're not allowed to kill him. They made up a boy that was free to kill. It's not free to kill. Kimberly, Ann, Wilson, Ibach, Alexander, Collie, Federico. Sunshine Drive, San Antonio, Texas. Who else is with her? Tom, Federico, Las Vegas area or something, or Poway, California. Kimberly, if you don't get your white shadow bimbo away from Ashley, if something happens and some boy dies, you're gonna go to jail. I'm just telling you right now. Leave us alone. I have a group to decide, so I have a natural feeling of who I'm gonna fuck for the rest of my life. Y'all don't get to choose for me. And this kid said he wants to go home. I don't want to be here. If she doesn't want me, I don't want her. And if she's broke, why are we gonna have sex if it doesn't work? She has to get fixed. Like, her sex parts need to be fixed. And if y'all are like trying to strip some guy of a kid as horny, that kid still has to go home. Ashley's not a lesbian. So what are you doing? Are you committing murder of Ashley because you didn't know what the fuck y'all are doing? Kimberly's hair represents some little boy? That's disgusting. So does Mrs. McNamara. For slutting out Ashley's life. Y'all are gross. I don't know what that fucking means. You better bring my whole fucking circle here.